It's kind of special to our heart. And we included a lot of you in it. So we hope you enjoy it. Timmy's hand looks like it's on fire. Happy's picking at his nose. And John thinks that he's part of a big choir. And Mel sort of looks like an Eskimo. Everybody knows. Nick and Deb were under mistletoe, trying to make their evening bright. Kenny's on his drugs, with his eyes all aglow, as I crash my car tonight. Oh. The tree is getting saved.
It's good, amen.
We know that DJ doesn't have much to say. And everyone is gonna lie and tell Dwayne that he's really a white Heather has me watching Disney shows that I'm actually starting to like. Although we make fun, we're still filled with God's love. Merry Christmas to you and you and you and you and you. Merry Christmas to you.